More facts international unique. The Taj Mahal in India is made entirely out of marble. The happiest language in the world is Spanish, containing the largest number of positive words. Monaco, the second smallest country in the world, is smaller than the Central Park in New York City, area of 2 square kilometers. Most spoken language in the world is Mandarin Chinese, with over 1.1 billion speakers. The driest place on Earth is near Ross Island, Antarctica. It hasn't rained there for millions of years. The Great Banyan Tree in India is the widest tree in the world, covering over 14,500 mapped houses of land, about the size of a Manhattan city block, with 3,600 aerial roots. It's 250 years old and looks like an entire forest. Greenland is the country that can't join FIFA because of bad weather conditions, and grass cannot grow there. Suriname, the northeast South American country, has the highest percentage of land covered by forest at 94.6%. In Bulgaria, nodding one's head means no, and shaking one's head means yes. Bangladesh has a higher population than Russia, although it's 115 times smaller. In New York, there are more Italian Americans than in Rome, more Irish Americans than in Dublin, and more Jews than in Tel Aviv. Iceland has no mosquitoes at all, not even one. With over 800 languages spoken by a significant portion of the population, New York City is the most linguistically diverse city in the world. The Sagrada Familia Church in Barcelona is taking longer to build than the pyramids. It was started in 1882, and no, it is not done yet. Alaska is the most northern, eastern, and western state in all of America. The country of Nauru does not have a capital city, while Sri Lanka has 2 official capitals, Colombo and Sri Jayawardenepura Koti, and South Africa has 3, Cape Town, Pretoria, and Bloemfontein. The world's longest place name is Taumatauhakatangi Hanga Ko Awawota Mateaturi Pukaka Pikimaunga Horonu, Kupokai Wenwakitana Tahu in New Zealand. No country begins with the letter W. Kiribati is the only country in the world to fall into all 4 hemispheres. Australia is wider than the moon. The moon sits at 3,400 kilometers in diameter, while Australia's diameter from east to west is almost 4,000 kilometers. The moon, as a sphere, has more surface size, but it's still pretty amazing. In the Philippines, there's an island in a lake, and an island in a lake, and an island. That's called the Vulcan Point Island. Even though Russia and the US are only 4 kilometers apart geographically, there's a 21-hour time difference between them. You only have to cross one country on land to get from North Korea to Norway. And that country is Russia. The ice cream cone was all invented in New York City. Outside of Antarctica, there's only one other area considered to be nobody's land. The area is Bir Tawil, a 20-60 square kilometer patch of land along the border of Egypt and Sudan, which is uninhabited and claimed by neither country. Apparently, neither nation is interested in Bir Tawil simply because there's nothing there.